I forgot to mention, if you got a lot of places that are marred up where it's black, I like taking a permanent marker and filling in the spots where it's black. Now, this door has seen better days, but it still works. And using the permanent marker, you could fill in where it's marred up. And that makes it look a lot better to me. What do you think? If you watch my other videos, I use furniture markers to fill in where it's scratched up. And so where it's brown, I got furniture markers, and I'll go ahead and fill those in. Where it's dinged up. This clock has had a lot of abuse. I gave it to my parents, but now that they're both gone, I got the clock back, and it sits in my house. And I went to wind it up today and set it, and it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So I'm having a fairly good day today. I mentioned that I've got back problems, so there's a lot of days I don't feel like doing anything. But today I felt like working. So using the furniture markers, you can fill in a lot of these scratches. But I'm going to continue filling it in. I see there's another spot on the black where I missed. So get back to my permanent marker here, my Sharpie. And making it look better.